Alaska. A land of towering peaks, vast glaciers, and sprawling forests, it is a place where nature still reigns supreme. This is America's last frontier, a true wilderness. Alaska is home to a breathtaking diversity of wildlife. Grizzly bears roam the mountains and coasts, wolves howl in the twilight, salmon leap upstream, their silver scales flashing in the sun. Alaska's beauty is as captivating as it is unforgiving. The state experiences extremes of light and dark. Long summer days give way to long winter nights. This dramatic cycle of seasons dictates the rhythm of life for all of Alaska's inhabitants. From the smallest plant to the largest predator, survival in this land is a testament to adaptation and resilience. Alaska's wilderness is not just a national treasure, it is a global one. It is a vital reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world, a world that we must all strive to protect, for in protecting places like Alaska, we protect ourselves. Few animals embody the wild spirit of Alaska like the grizzly bear. These majestic creatures are a symbol of strength and resilience. They are perfectly adapted to Alaska's harsh conditions. Grizzly bears are solitary animals for most of the year. They roam vast territories in search of food. Their diet is surprisingly varied. They are skilled hunters, able to bring down large prey like caribou and moose. But they are also opportunistic omnivores. Berries, roots, and insects all play a role in their diet. However, there is one food source that is particularly important for grizzly bears: salmon. Every year, millions of salmon migrate up Alaska's rivers to spawn. This abundance of food is a vital resource for grizzly bears. They gorge themselves on the fatty fish, storing up energy for the long winter ahead. The relationship between grizzly bears and salmon is a powerful example of the interconnectedness of life in this wilderness. The howl of a wolf, echoing through the Alaskan wilderness, is a sound that sends shivers down the spine. It is a sound that speaks of both beauty and danger. Gray wolves are highly intelligent and social animals. They live and hunt in packs with a strict social hierarchy. This pack structure is essential for their survival, allowing them to take down prey much larger than themselves. Wolves are skilled hunters, relying on a combination of stamina and strategy to bring down their prey. Caribou, moose, and deer are their primary targets. However, they are also known to prey on smaller animals like hares and rodents. Their hunting strategies vary depending on the terrain and the prey they are pursuing. The relationship between wolves and their prey is a delicate one. It is a dance between predator and prey, a balance that has been carefully honed over millennia. Wolves play a vital role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. They keep prey populations in check, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the long-term health of the entire ecosystem. The land of the midnight sun, flora and fauna of Alaska. Alaska's diverse landscapes are home to a breathtaking array of plants and animals. From towering spruce forests to windswept tundra, each ecosystem supports unique life. In the south, temperate rainforests cling to the coast. Sitka spruce and western hemlock trees reach for the sky. Further north, the boreal forest dominates. The taiga is a land of extremes, with long winters and short summers. Above the tree line, the tundra stretches out like a vast ocean. Caribou migrate while Arctic foxes and snowy owls hunt. Section 5. Salmon, the heart of the ecosystem. The rivers and streams of Alaska pulse with life each year as millions of salmon return from the ocean to spawn. This annual migration is one of the most spectacular events in the natural world. It is also a vital lifeline for the entire Alaskan ecosystem. Salmon are a keystone species, meaning their presence has a disproportionate impact on the health of the entire ecosystem. Their journey begins in the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, where they spend several years feeding and growing. As they mature, an instinctual urge drives them back to the rivers where they were born. They battle their way upstream, overcoming rapids and waterfalls, driven by an ancient imperative to reproduce. This abundance of food supports a wide range of animals, from bears and wolves to eagles and otters. Even the forests benefit from the salmon run. Bears drag salmon into the forest, fertilizing the soil with their carcasses. The nutrients from the decomposing fish are then absorbed by trees and other plants, completing the circle of life. Section 6. Alaska's future, a shared responsibility. The future of Alaska's wilderness hangs in the balance. Climate change poses significant threats to this fragile ecosystem. These changes impact Alaska's wildlife and the people who rely on its natural resources. Conservation efforts are underway to mitigate the impacts of climate change. The future of Alaska's wilderness depends on our collective action. In protecting this last frontier, we protect ourselves and the future of our planet.